One of the most important components of the Sustainable EDU framework policy architecture is the workshop, the Accelerator workshop, where we create a common ground to work with a team and share knowledge, discuss the main reference documents, and prepare to launch one initiative related to education and ICT, or to follow up and support any ongoing initiative. And this component, which is after the assessment and before the co-work, is the most important aspect and the most important component of the program. The Sustainable EDU Policy Framework workshop is structured in 4 sessions. The first dedicated to leadership and vision, where we look to the main documents, where we can discuss the main reference documents and to have a common vision and how leadership and vision impact on the development of the project. The second session will be dedicated to the coordination and coherence to the policies, to the programs, to the budget, mainly in a multi-stakeholder initiative. Coordination and coherence in the strategy and in the operational matters are one of the most relevant aspects for the success of the initiative. Linked to this, we will have a session, the third session, dedicated to partnership models, public-private partnerships, or another kind of partnership with multinational companies, with local industry, with trade unions, with any stakeholder which is involved in a project related to education and ICT. And the fourth session, the last session, will be dedicated to the program management. The methodology of this workshop is based on the analysis of cases and discussion among the team and with the team or with other stakeholders how it can be a very successful project. More details can be seen in the booklet. You can download in this web page.